In this really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a foul, how do you say that word? Fake wood grain on cardboard using texture paste. All you need is a piece of wood, flat piece of wood, or a piece of plastic, or even an old credit card, and apply a layer of texture paste all over your cardboard base. The layer needs to be a medium thickness. You don't want it too thin because then you're going to get these awful gaps or divots. And you don't want it too thick because then it takes forever to dry and nobody's got time for that. Once the cardboard base has been covered entirely, place whatever you're using flat into the wet texture paste and drag it in one direction, either going up or down or left or right. You don't want to mix and muddle, the direction you're going in, because that's just not how grain is in nature. If you look at a piece of wood, the grain always goes in one direction unless it's flowing around a knot, but then it follows that same direction. If you find there's some spots where the texture paste isn't thick enough, you can use your finger or whatever tool you decided to use to kind of smush the texture paste in there and then drag the wet texture paste through it again. Once you're happy with the look and the grain effect, use a toothpick to draw lines going straight down or left to right, again, whatever direction you decided to go for. And these need to be quite deep, so kind of drag them all the way down to that cardboard layer. You want to create that sense of depth, demarcate planks of wood. And again, if you make a mistake, just use your finger, smush it, redraw. And that's all you need to do.